Hello and welcome to Stride ERP Training. In this training video, I will show you how to enter pay elements into your payroll process. So here we can see we have payroll for July 2020, and for each employee, we have a set of pay elements. So entertainment, basic pension, housing, furniture, health, and gross. And these numbers, so you can see that some numbers have zero, or some employees have zero in each column or in different columns, and some have numbers in there. So basically, the system calculates or gives you assigns values to those columns based on your entitlement as an employee. So different employees may have different entitlements, and Stride is able to process that accurately. So I'll show you how that is done. So to start with, you need to go to create benefit types in the system. The benefit types, to create that, you go to System Setup, HR, okay, so System Setup, HR, and Benefit Management. Click on the Benefit Type menu, and that brings you to this page where you will see an existing list of default benefit types that came with, or a default list of benefit types that came with Stride. Now, to add a new one, click New Benefit Type and simply enter the name of the benefit type or pay element that you want to enter into the system. Okay, so here we have basic clothing, driver allowance, employment, entertainment, and so on and so forth. There are about 12 on the list in this test environment. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is actually create the package. So this package is what you will assign to an employment type. Okay, so I'll show you how that is worked, how that is done. So here we've created a list of benefit types, okay, what we call benefit types in Stride. And now we want to use these benefit types, group them into a package, and then assign to an employee. So the next step will be creating that benefit package. Okay, so to create a benefit package, you go to System Setup, HR, Benefit Management, and Benefit Packages. Okay, so that brings you to this page where you will see maybe one or two default values in Stride. So you can modify an existing one. We're just going to create one from scratch, and we'll call this training video. Okay, so we'll call this benefit package training video. So I click that, and it's created that somewhere. So let me look for it. I can see the training video here. I click on it and hit details. Okay, so benefit for training video. So now we need to build that package. And what we're going to do is to start working on it, I click add update items. Okay, so a small screen appears, which basically sets the stage for me to start building the package. I click on add benefits. So it's, here, the first option under type, I have three options: subtraction, addition, component. So I'm going to start with component. Component basically tells you that whatever it is that you're about to create, um, so it's basically a percentage of the gross salary of the individual, right? So if the person is paid, let's say 50,000 naira, okay, it's asking you now, okay, you've selected component. How do you want to break up that gross payment? How do you want to divvy it up? How much of it is entertainment? So I select entertainment here. Okay, when do you want this to start? So 2020 January. There's no end to this. And so component, it's saying what is, so component is always percentage. So entertainment, I'm saying, is about 30% of the individual's gross salary. Okay, now I've selected 30%. I need to make it up to 100%. So I need to tell Stride what the other 70% of the person's of an individual's gross salary is made up of. Okay, so I click on add benefits. component. So this number has to go up to 100%. So I go basic, okay, January, no end. Basic makes up 50%, okay, that takes me to 80%. Um, I'll change this to housing, okay, select our benefit again, components, transport, okay, start, end, and now I need 20% to make up the 100%. So stride is fine. Now, see if you have, so if you have less than 100% and you try to submit this, you will get an error message. Okay, so it won't let you submit it. So yeah, I have 100%. Now, do you have other things that you want to add, like pension? Okay, yes. So let's add pension. Now, pension is not a component of the gross salary because what we have here shows all the how the makeup of a gross salary. So the housing at 30%, basic at 50%, and transport at 20%. So pension again is something you subtract from the salary. Okay, so let's do a subtraction. Okay, let's select pension. Again, I select the same start and date, and let's put here 8%. So that's the employee's contribution to his pension funds or pension account. Okay, we've selected 8%. So subtractions and additions do not need to add up to 100% because those are separate. It just says here I have an 8%, a total of 8% in subtractions for this package. Okay, so I go ahead and so I'll just go ahead. I'll leave it this way. Submit. Okay, so I've just created a basic a benefits package. Now this benefit package needs to be assigned. Now you cannot assign a benefit package to an individual. You can only assign a benefit package to an employment type, so an employee group. When I say an employee group, so either full-time employees, part-time employees, casual part-time. So you can only assign benefit packages to an employment type. And when an employee is assigned that employment type, he automatically inherits the benefit package that you just created. All right, so we've just created one called training video. We've built it at 30, 50, 20, okay, for the components, and 8% pension deduction. So the next thing is we just want to assign this to employees. Okay, so you need to go to benefit type to do this. So here I can see to get to benefit type, you go to system setup. Okay, so employment type, sorry, system setup, HR, and employment type. Okay, click there. Stride comes with default employment types, so apprentice, casual, full-time, casual, part-time, commission, and piece rate. So let's assign this to full-time employees. Okay, full-time employees. So we have one benefit package called Lagos office. So we are going to change that package to the one we just created, which is the let me refresh that here. Okay, which is the training video package. So yeah, full-time. So we already have that benefit package, Lagos office. I will change that to training video. Select that, okay, and submit. Okay, if you are creating a new employment type, again, this is what you do. You enter the employment type, the name, okay, full time 2, okay, and then you can select the benefit package from in here. But I just showed you how to modify an existing benefit package. Okay, so we've changed this, the benefit package for all full-time employees to training video. All right. Now, this people, so I'm going back to payroll now. That's all I need to do. I mean, you've done that. That's it. So every employee that has that employment type full time, okay, assigned to them will inherit this training video, meaning that their salaries, so their gross salary will be divided into basic at 50%. Then we have the 30% and the 20%. So it will divide their salary or break up their salary into those three components. And then it will deduct an 8% pension amount or pension sum from their salary. That's what we've just told Stripe to do. So going to the payroll page, okay, this guy's Liz Benson is a full-time employee, and so is well, I know Liz Benson is a full-time employee, and you can check this actually by going to actions and make payments. Make payments will tell you the person's, oh, she's actually casual part-time. Okay, but if we have, well, basically any full-time, all full-time employees that we have in this system will automatically inherit. Let's see what George Clooney is. So George Clooney, let's see what his employment type is. He's full-time. So good. We just changed him, changed his benefit type to something different. He has, oh well, he has entertainment. He currently has basic. Oh, he has entertainment. Remember, we only have for full-time employees, we have basic, housing, and transport. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh this page. Okay, to see if he picks up the new values that we've assigned to full-time employees. Okay, so I'm just going to filter this to see. Uh, so I see George Clooney. You see entertainment is now blank because the new benefit package he's been given does not have entertainment assigned to it. Now, transport was not here before. It was not included in this pay or was not displayed on this page before, but it's appeared now because at least one employee on this payroll or in this pay period has a transport benefit benefit type attached to his package. So here we can see George Clooney. He now has basic. He has pension. It's in red, showing that it's a deduction. He has housing at this amount. He no longer has furniture because he had furniture before, I believe, and he now has transport. Okay, so it shows, so that's displayed for George Clooney. So you can, again, create as many benefit packages as you want and assign them to different employee types. Now, if you have two full-time employees that have different packages, you can create an employment type called full-time one and another one called full-time two and assign two different packages to them. Okay, so again, they're both full-time, but you can do full-time A, full-time B, or full-time one, full-time two, just so you can assign the different benefit packages to them. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Have a great day.